Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, so today was kind of a crappy day. A kid at my school committed suicide in my grade, and we all knew him, so felt like going out and buying one of these, maybe get something, make the day a little better. So, decoy hunting, yay. For the football hits I have a Michael Crabtree and Jeremy Maclin, double feature refractor, headliners of Noshawn Marino, and a Noshawn Marino Glen Coffee double feature refractor. So now I'm going to do some series 2. And let's go. So maybe we'll actually get something for once. Doubt it, but maybe. You never know. None of the packs ever look thick, so you never know what you're gonna get. First pack. Alright, we got base, 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 all base. That sucks. Base. We have a rookie of Vladimir Mihalik, a gold rookie for the Lightning. And the rest is base. Excuse me. Base. Favorite sons of Jason Spezza from Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. Base, base. Sorry if I don't sound very excited today, guys. We have a checklist of Evgeny Malkin for the Penguins. I think I already have that card. Base. We have a rookie of Steve McIntyre for the Oilers. And base, base. Base. 3 base cards. Can't sound worth crap. Base, base. Young Guns of Teddy Purcell for the Kings. Base, base. Base. Rookie or victory of Mark Recchi. I don't know why they put victory cards in. Base, base. Base, 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 base. We're looking for something. Insert, checklist, something. Base, rookie of Wayne Simmons for the Kings. Victory rookie. Hopefully we can get some more Young Guns. Base. And here it is. Young Gun of Brad Staubitz for the Sharks. And the rest is all base. Right. Base, victory, Mark Street. Base, 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 it's everywhere. Apparently I have 5 minutes of video left. Base, Ryan Getzlaff, the new guard. Insert. Alright. Base. Last pack's kind of thick. Maybe. No, maybe. I don't know. There seems to be an off-colored card in here. Oh, it's their dumb insert. Base. Yay! Jacob Voracek. Victory rookie. Base. Alright, so that is it. So yeah, don't know when the next box break is going to be. Yada yada yada, you've heard the story before. So just remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all later.